class, today we're on lesson 26 of Saxon Book 3, and today we're going to be subtracting dollars and cents. So, for my first example, Maribel went on a field trip, and she took $7.50, and over here I've drawn the money, $7, 5 dimes, 50 cents. She spent $3.80 on lunch. So, spent, we have to subtract here. So I'm going to start by showing it to you with the money, and then we'll talk about how that translates to just doing the equation here, okay? So she spent $3.80. Well, I'll subtract the money first. Can I take away 80 cents if I only have 5 dimes? If I have 5 dimes, can I give you 8? No, I can't. I don't have enough. So what can I do? I can make a trade. So I know that it takes 10 dimes to equal $1. So if I take away $1, I can trade it to the bank for 10 more dimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put a little 10 in all of these so that we see that they are dimes. Okay, so here's my dollars worth of dimes, plus I still had the 5 dimes over here. Let's look at how that is worked out in our equation. So 0 minus 0 is 0. We don't have to do anything special there. But here is where we go, uh-oh, I have 5. I'm supposed to get rid of 8. What do? Well, we made a trade. So we used to have $7. Do we still have $7? Nope, now we only have 6. So we show that in our equation by crossing out the 7 and writing a 6 on top. We used to have 5 dimes. Do I only have 5 dimes now? No, I have the original 5 plus I have 10 more from my trade. So that's going to be 15. And we show that by sneaking our little 1 in there, okay? So now, can I take away 8 dimes? Yes, absolutely. 2, 4, 6, 8. And how many am I left with? 5, 6, 7. And I have $6. Can I take away 3? Certainly. 1, 2, 3. And I have 3 left. Okay. So here's the only part that's different from the other subtraction that we've been doing. This was money, so it's dollars, decimal point, cents. That means our answer needs to be dollars, decimal point, cents. And then I need my dollar sign as well, okay? Just like when we were adding money, the most important thing for you to do here is to line up your decimal points. If you notice, decimal point, decimal point, decimal point, they're all lined up in a row there. That's what we want to do when we're subtracting money, okay? We're going to try one without the picture. Okay, for this next example, Teresa went to the store with $4.32. She bought a gallon of milk for $2.48. Notice my decimal points are lined up, okay? She bought a gallon of milk. How much does she have left? Bought, left. Those are our key words telling us subtract. Okay, well, 2 minus 8. If I have 2 pennies, can I give you 8? No, I don't think so. We have to make a trade. So we go to our dimes. We borrow a dime. We had 3, so now we only have 2. And we trade it for 10 pennies, and we're going to sneak that 10 in there next to our 2 pennies that we already had. So now if I have 12 pennies, can I give you 8? Certainly. And we'll have 4 left over. If I have 2 dimes, can I give you 4? So this is a little bit different because we already changed this number when we borrowed, but now we're going to have to borrow from the dollars. We borrowed one, we had 4, now we only have 3. And we traded that dollar in for 10 dimes. So we had 2 dimes because we borrowed one, and now we have 10 more. I'll sneak that 10 in there next to the 2 we already have. Now I have 12 dimes minus 4. I'm going to have 8 dimes left. Decimal point, decimal point, decimal point, right there in a row. $3. Can I give you 2? Certainly. I'll have 1 left. And my dollar sign. So she had $1.84 left. Okay. All right, that is it for the examples. So I am going to have you try some lesson practice problems. Let me get them up here on the board. So $4.30 minus $1.17. Try that one. Then we have $6.28 minus $3.56. As you're writing these down, make sure you line up your decimal points. Then we have $5.25 minus $3.78. And our final problem is a word problem. Karen had $6.25. Let's write that down. And she paid the taxi driver $4.50. Then how much money did Karen have? So $4.50. And you are going to decide if that's an addition or a subtraction problem. Okay, go ahead and hit pause. Give these problems a try. And when you play again, we'll go over the answers together. All right, first one here. 0 minus 7. If I have 0 pennies, can I give you 7 pennies? Nope, got to trade. We'll borrow from the dimes, and then we'll sneak our 10 pennies in there. So now 10 minus 7, that I can do. I'll have 3 left. 2 minus 1, I can do that. I'll have 1 left. Decimal point, very important. 4 minus 1, I'll have 3 left, and my answer is $3.13. This one. If I have 8 pennies, can I give you 6? Sure. I'll even have 2 left over. If I have 2 dimes, can I give you 5 dimes? No. Have to make a trade. Borrow from the dollar, so now we only have $5. And I'll take those 10 dimes and sneak it in there. Now, if I have 12 dimes and I give you 5, how many are left? 7. Decimal point, $5 minus $3. So we have an answer of $2.72. Next example. If I have 5 pennies, can I give you 8 pennies? Nope, I have to borrow. So borrow from my dimes here. I have 1 dime left. And then we'll sneak in our 10 pennies that we borrowed. Now if I have 15 and I give you 8, I'll have 7 left. If I have 1 dime, can I give 7 dimes to you? No, I can't. So I have to borrow again. Now I'll have $4 and we'll sneak that 10 dimes in there. 11 dimes minus 7, I'll have 4 dimes left. And then $4 minus 3, $1.47. Let's turn this just a little bit for the last one. So what did you decide? She had $6.25 and she paid her taxi driver $4.50. How much does she have left? That's a subtraction problem. Okay, so now we're just going to subtract exactly like we did over here. 5 minus 0 gives me 5. 2 minus 5, that's a 3, right? No, it's not. I made that common mistake of flip-flopping these numbers. Remember, you're starting with the number on top and trying to take away the number underneath it. So, I can't take 5 from 2. I have to borrow. Sneak in my 10 dimes there. 12 minus 5. Now it works out. And 5 minus 4, she'll have $1.75 left. Boys and girls, that's the end of today's lesson. Now is the time for you to do your written practice, which begins on page 144 of your textbook. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon.